Okay, our next speaker is Koji Annoura, speaking again on as a vector impact on similarity extraction. Please welcome the speaker.
Hi. Okay, let's get started. And I talk about vector. Do you like vector? Oh, yes? Title is Vector Impact on Similarity Extraction, Movie Data Analysis. Okay, my name is Koji Annoura. I live in Fukuoka, Japan, south of Japan. And I love Neo4j graph database and Apache Hop. Do you know Apache Hop? No. The new Apache project here. Okay. And today, agenda is very simple. Three talk. One is view. Second is vector. Third is movies on vector. First, I like the picture. Okay, this is a human view of an apple. Okay, a middle, a vector view of an apple, and right, knowledge graph view of an apple. Are you familiar? Which is familiar? Middle one? Okay, knowledge graph view of apple. So apple is a kind of a fruit, and apple body shape round, and size 10 centimeter, and the color is red. It's easy to understand. Japanese, you're human. Okay, human friendly is here. It's very easy to understand. Middle is very difficult. Okay, the computer friendly is middle. Vector is computer friendly. Knowledge graph is so-so. It's not good for relational database. It's good for a graph database. Okay, vector. So this is a question. How similar are these two sentences? One is Pokemon. Do you like Pokemon? Okay, yeah. One is One Piece. Title is here, and plot is here. How similar? Please guess. 50% or 30%? It's not 100%. Okay? And numbers are easy to compare. Yes. So we can translate a text to a vector. Vector index is very familiar in these days. Postgres is vector is with PG vector. It works at adding a software. So MySQL is vector is work. MySQL 9.0. Neo4j is work with vector. And MongoDB is well work. What is vector? Vector has magnitude length, and direction. Okay, you're very familiar with mathematics. So the 2D is here. It's easy to understand. 3D is easy to understand also. Example of a 3D array. Comic book, One Piece, Naruto, Attack of Titan, or something. So like this. So very simple vector. A vector is here. 3D array is here. Addition and artistic style. It's so easy. So this is a question. How many dimensions should be used for natural languages? So text is here, Pokemon. Okay? Please raise your hand. Okay? Dimensions, 2 dimensions. No? 3, 18. 256? No. Oh, okay. And 50, over 50, 50, 12? No, 512. Or more? Okay. This is a high dimensional vector. I used over 1,000. It's not 1,000 words, but we used 1,536. So we can translate text to vector for some some tools. So this is from OpenAI. And this model is 3 models. Okay? And this is a Python code. It's so easy. So this is a Gemini embedding model, 3 embedding models. I think it's last one is free. It's also easy. And sentence transforms SPART. Sentence transformers. Do you know the SPART? No? It's really free to use. Yeah, good. So I compared 2 tools. One is OpenAI, text embeddings, Ada 2, and the last one, SBERT. So really small. So this is a movie, a title and plot. So, okay. Toy Story is here. Pokemon is here. I can write. Oh. A One Piece film is here. Do you like One Piece? Yeah? Okay. And if you like this movie, One Piece, so how would you search for next one to watch? Ask someone who knows a lot about movies. Or ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT 5 or 6 or 7, and looking for a recommendation online. And last one is vector search. I used cosine similarity and OpenAI and SBIRD. Data movie data are like 9,000 movies, and I select 8 movies. This is a Shin Godzilla. Godzilla, do you know? Yeah. Oh, OpenAI versus SBIRD here. Shin Godzilla. Next recommendation is Godzilla. That is not the same. It's really interesting. Toy Story is here. I don't know 9. Do you know 9? But you like Toy Story, but recommendation, Child's Play. So very scared. Next, Star Trek is here, so different. This is OpenAI. This is for SBIRD. Space Odyssey is here. So very different. Die Hard, so old one is here. One Piece are very different. So recommendation. So Steve Jobs, so-so on Steve Jobs. I don't know Jobs, but it's about Steve Jobs. Last one is Pokemon here. Pokemon, the first movie. Okay. I think it's a little bit good. Pokemon 3 or something. This is, I don't know, Pokemon Fry 2. Okay, two types of tools we compare, so very different. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's thank the speaker. Unfortunately, we have to postpone questions later on because we are a bit over time. Or do you have one very quick question?